Ladies and gentlemen, good morning to our Rector, Prof. Dr. Arif Satria. Thank you very much for coming to this wonderful event. And also thank you for the Dean of Faculty of Forestry and Environment, Dr. Nareswara Nugroho. Thank you very much. Before we start the program, please pardon me to remind all the participants the rules of conduct during the virtual symposium. Participants are not allowed to share the meeting ID and password of the Zoom meeting, and participants are not allowed to enter the meeting room using two devices, for example, handphone and computer. And participants registered as presenter, speaker, and other must rename their Zoom name to abstract code _ full name _ affiliation. Participants registered as non-presenter must rename their Zoom name to full name _ affiliation. And also, participants must use virtual background attached during the event. For those who haven't received the virtual background, please download it from the email that we sent yesterday. Participants to fill in the attendance form in the chat box during the registration form. The registration session will be held until 10 a.m. Jakarta time. Please make sure the name is entered correctly in attendance list because it will be used in e-certificate. And the host will turn off the participants' share screen function and will mute the participants' audio from the start until the moderator or MC gives a chance to speak. Participants must turn on the camera during the activity, and please ensure that the internet, visual, and audio connections are stable. Furthermore, please allow me to show today's agendas. This is the agenda for today. Once again, good morning from Indonesia, ladies and gentlemen, all the distinguished participants. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are delighted to welcome you to the International Symposium on Arboriculture in the Tropics, or ISATROP 2021. This event is organized by the Faculty of Forestry and Environment of IPB University, Indonesia. My name is Hagis Jatruna, and I will be the today Masters of Ceremony. First of all, on behalf of the organizer, we would like to extend a very warm welcome to the distinguished Rector of IPB University, Prof. Dr. Arif Satria, and also the Dean of Faculty of Forestry and Environment, Dr. Nareswara Nugroho, Vice Dean for Academic and Student Affairs, Dr. Nur Farika Haneda, Vice Dean for Resources, Collaboration and Development, Dr. Nandi Kosmariandi, Chairperson of Indonesian Society of Arboriculture, Prof. Dr. Iskandar Z. Siregar, President of Persatuan Arboris Malaysia, Mr. Roslan Yaakob, and the keynote speakers, Dr. Danis Hidayat and Mr. Goh Miachun MBA. Also the invited speaker, Ms. Sujin Park, Dr. Bruce Ellison, Dr. Noriah Othman, and Mr. Tony Hari Widiananto. Thank you very much, and also thank you for all the dear participants and audiences. Ladies and gentlemen, to officially start our event this morning, we are pleased to invite the chairperson of the organizing committee to give a brief report of ISATROP 2021. To Dr. Vivi Gusduyanti, please, the floor is yours.
Thank you very much, Mr. Hagi, the MC for today. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Very good morning to one and all present here. On behalf of the organizing committee, I'm pleased to welcome all attendees of virtual symposium of the second international symposium on arboriculture in the tropics, including Honorable Rector of IPB University, Professor Arif Satria, Dean of Faculty of Forestry and Environment, IPB University, Dr. Nareswara Nugroho, Vice Dean for Academic and Student Affairs of Faculty of Forestry and Environment, IPB University, Dr. Nur Farika Haneda, Vice Dean for Resources, Collaboration and Development of Faculty of Forestry and Environment, IPB University, Dr. Nandi Kosmariandi, Head of Cluster Research of Arboriculture, IPB University, Professor Dodi Nandika, representative of Institute of Tropical Forestry and Forest Product, University Putra Malaysia, Professor Dr. Ahmad Ainuddin Nuruddin, distinguished keynote speaker, Dr. Danis Hidayat Sumadilaga from Ministry of Public Work and Housing, Republic of Indonesia, Mr. Goh Mia Chun MBA from CSK Landscape Singapore, Mr. Roslan Yaakob, who is the president of Malaysian Society of Arborists Malaysia, Professor Iskandar Zulkarnain Siregar, who is the president of Indonesian Society of Arboriculture Indonesia, distinguished invited speaker, Dr. Sujin Park from National Institute of Forest Science, South Korea, Dr. Bruce Ellison from Ellison Tree Consulting Arborist, USA, Dr. Noriah Otman from Malaysian Society of Arborists Malaysia, Mr. Tony Hari Widiananto from the Institute of Engineering Indonesia, and also all the faculty members, participants and invitees. For me, it is an honor and a pleasure. In the next 5 minutes of my welcome speech, I will be walking you through what the symposium is about, how useful it is for you, and what does the future hold for all of us in the context of the theme of the symposium. Distinguished colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, 4 years have already passed since the first international symposium on arboriculture in the tropics, which was held in November 2017 in Bogor City with the theme Securing Ecosystem Function in the Urban Landscape. At the time, we could greet all the participants freely and guide the participants to go around Bogor Botanical Garden after the symposium. But this year, this symposium holds special value because this is the first international symposium in the history of our community where the entire symposium is taking place on the digital platform. Due to the changing time caused by the COVID-19, we encourage our participants to stay safe and maintain the social distance. So in line with the COVID-19 issue, the Faculty of Forestry and Environment IPB University, the Indonesian Society of Arboriculture, the Malaysian Society of Arborists, and the Institute of Tropical Forestry and Forest Product, University Putra Malaysia, have gathered an idea to hold the second international symposium on arboriculture in the tropics with the theme Trees and the Human Health. Since we realize the importance of tree during the quarantine of the pandemic, and several recent studies have also identified the relationship between the natural environment and improved health outcomes. Besides that, we decided to hold the second ISATROP in June 2021 to commemorate Environment Day. So apart from here, the symposium is present 2 general topics covering all aspects of the trees and human health issues, including first, urban trees for human health, such as urban trees and less contact society, forest healing, green space, and ecosystem services. Second, about regulation, innovation, and capacity building related to the tree health, such as healthy tree for vibrant ecosystem and management of urban trees. We hope that this symposium will become a forum for all of us to share knowledge or interest in order to improve research, training, and advocacy on the role of the trees, green open space, urban park, and urban forest in supporting human health at the national and the international levels, as well as expand and strengthen communication and cooperation network, both at the national level and internationally, between academia, researcher, practitioner, industry, and government. The symposium has about 4 keynote speakers, 4 invited speakers, 66 oral presenters from 170 participants from 6 countries, Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, South Korea, and the US, making the symposium a truly international symposium in its spirit. In addition, the proceeding of the second ISATROP will be published in the IOPS conference series of an environment, or we call IOP EES, which is a Scopus Index, so that the research result of this presenter can be accessed by many people, which is useful for reference for the future research. Distinguished colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, many members of the organizing team work very hard to turn our vision for this symposium into reality. So we would like to warmly thank organizing committee members for their dedication before this event. We would like to also thank scientific committee for their hard work in reviewing and evaluating the abstract and the proceeding papers. Additionally, we would like to warmly thank all the authors who with their presentation generously contributed to the lively exchange of scientific information that is so vital to endurance of the scientific meeting of this kind. Our final thanks will go to Directorate of International Program of IPB University. Without their generous support, this symposium would not be possible at this scale. We sincerely hope you will enjoy today and the next day of debate and networking. Thank you for your participation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much, Dr. Vivi. And ladies and gentlemen, we are now going to listen to the welcome speech delivered by the IPB University Rector. Please welcome Prof. Arif Satria. The floor is yours.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of IPB University, I would like to extend a great appreciation and warm greetings to the esteemed representative from Ministry of Public Works and Housing, Pak Danis Sumadilaga, Dean Faculty of Forestry Environment, IPB University, Prof. Rudin Andika as Head Cluster Research on Arboriculture, IPB University, Prof. Ahmad Ainuddin Nurudin from UPM, distinguished speakers, all participants, scientists, practitioners, students, and committee members of ISATROP 2021. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm glad to inform you that in 2015, IPB University, through IPB Cluster Research of Arboriculture in collaboration with Indonesian Society of Arboriculture, successfully organized the first ISATROP Symposium, Securing Ecosystem Function in Urban Landscape in Bogor. Here, this morning, we are witnessing the continuation of ISATROP events. However, because of the pandemic, this event is conducted online. As to the event, since 7 years ago, IPB University has been nurturing research activities on arboriculture, particularly on tree health assessment techniques. These research activities are coordinated by IPB Arboriculture Research Cluster, which initiated together with other national stakeholders in realizing the establishment of the Indonesian Society of Arboriculture, or known as Masyarakat Arborikultur Indonesia atau MARI. Ladies and gentlemen, we have learned that coronavirus 19 disease outbreak since March last year has changed the world, including our daily life, known as a new normal. Being outside in the nature or in a close to nature environment is now highly demanded to minimize the risk of COVID-19 infection. Interaction with the surrounding nature, especially with the trees, can create a sense of peace, which means that trees have big impact for human health and wellness. In this regard, IPB University has launched its biodiversity campus since 2011. And we are keeping our green space inside the campus for maintaining ecosystem functioning and service. And IPB has also its It's on University Forest located in Sukabumi district, namely Gunung Walet Education Forest, around 60 kilometers from Bogor, which can be an alternative spot for spending time outdoors. Take into consideration the importance of trees, we still need to understand more about the trees and their environment, especially trees outside the forest. As we know, that under current development of technology 4.0, it is possible now to connect individual trees through the so-called Internet of Trees, IoT, by installing certain sensors, for example, to monitor tree waters and carbon for determining the hydraulic functioning and growth of trees in real time as practiced by treewatch.net in Europe. So in this opportunity, I'd like to recommend a regional collaboration among Indonesia, Singapore, Thailand, Malaysia to carry out such a similar Internet of Trees, IoT research on a certain species growing in the 4 countries like the rain tree or pohon trembesi, Samanea saman. The data and information generated in each country can be shared to determine the tree health and also their local environmental conditions. The proposed project also offers a list of possibilities, not only for scientific research and collaborative monitoring networks, but also for education and raising awareness on tree regeneration and climate change. As stated in the term of reference of the symposium, I agree that we need a good and sound governance for keeping the sustainability of trees, both inside or outside the forest. In particular, the need of a specific governance related to the regulatory aspect, for example, green asset management, including stakeholder involvement and consultation for promoting the arboriculture industry development. Ladies and gentlemen, finally, I appreciate Faculty of Forestry and Environment IBB, FAUTAN, the Indonesian Society of Arboriculture, MARI, the Malaysian Society of Arborists, PARM, Institute of Tropical Forestry and Forest Product, University Putra, Malaysia, in organizing this international symposium. Hopefully, this event will generate new perspective on arboriculture in tropics and regions, including its related industrial aspect. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much for the welcome speech, Rector Prof. Arif Satria. Before